All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol SHIP, SHIP, Seanergy Maritime Holdings. And before we go into the charts, this is based off of post-market, 25 minutes before the market closes. There could be some volatility, but it's a lot less during these after hours for us to go ahead and see this price to move significantly, but it won't really change much of the support level, and it won't change much of the resistance levels based off this chart. So that's why I wanted to go ahead and start this one early, even before the post-market closes, because of the volatility rate that this stock had. Another thing before we get in, I do want to announce, if you learned something new, subscribe to this channel. If you like this video, hit the like button down below. Comment down below as well any other information, insight. I know some people did that in the previous video from yesterday, and a lot of their information is correlating to seeing how it's affecting the chart, because obviously it's good news and all these great projections and different business acquisitions that are going on, and advancements and opportunities, and all those comments have had an impact on this bullish run. But also it allows other investors and other viewers to see. So anybody that has any information, yeah, go ahead, piggyback off of what I say here in the chart. As long as it's for good cause and good purpose, you can go ahead and write some comments down below. Also feedback, I always appreciate that. So I appreciate seeing those comments, and if you have any ticker symbols you would like to see too, I'll try to fit them into my schedule and see if I can make a video on those too. So let's go into this chart. And what we see here is it broke through the resistance level from yesterday, and it's well above the 50-day moving average. Before I move these resistance levels to where they need to be so we can go ahead and see what's going on today, I do want to state there are no emotions involved in these charts, just strictly charts and letting the charts speak to us. I don't get paid for this information either, speaking about specific charts and so forth. So let's see what we have here to pay close attention to for tomorrow. The first thing there is the resistance level, and the support level slightly moved up. It's pretty close to where it was, but it didn't change significantly from yesterday. So let's go ahead and get this one exactly how we need it to be. And oh man, I'm having some trouble here, bear with me. I guess I'm gonna have to move it from here, level it out. Perfect. Right, so there's our support level, and there's our resistance level. This is a pretty big gap here, so there's a lot of uncertainty, or there's a lot of great things to see for tomorrow for the bulls because of this bullish run. So the first thing is the support level. The support level actually ends up falling below the 50-day moving average due to the fact of where it's at. The 50-day moving average is 1748, and it's kind of hard when it comes to these thousands place to get right on the dot, but it's showing 1749, 1748, 1749. Those two positions are the 50-day moving average, give or take. So as long as this stock stays above it, the bulls are in full health. They're in full control, and you can see how the tug of war was going on throughout the beginning of the day, and then the bulls rallied up and took off. Either it was influence from news or just a lot of people believing in the upcoming days, and just people buying in. I mean, you could see the volume, it just started to skyrocket as it kept going up. This stock had a bullish run. Those are the key points. The 50-day moving average needs to stay down here or below the stock price so that this can continue a bullish run. It closes out hopefully somewhere near this. I hope there's no crazy volatility in the next 20 minutes, but because I'm doing this at 7:40 and market closes at 8 p.m. But if it does close out at what we're seeing, 1908, 1905, around that area, that will be the price that you want to pay close attention to when this opens up tomorrow. The other thing as well is the support level, and the support level is 1713, and it actually falls slightly below our 50-day moving average. So before you even look at the support level to decide or make any decisions, I would really pay close attention to the 50-day moving average, because the 50-day moving average per se is the support level right now for the bulls to continue this run or continue having leverage, because the moment it's getting closer to the support level, the bears are taking over, and the bears goals is to break through the support level and keep tearing this one down in a downward trend away from the 50 moving average. And the 50-day moving average is very important, because the further away you move from it downward, the more bearish. The further away you move from it upward, the more bullish. And now the key point for the bulls is 20.01. Basically, in other terms, 20 cents. Why is this so important for the bulls? This is where this stock got rejected. And this is where that's the highest point of this stock in the last, I'd say, about 9 days. In the last 9 days, this stock has reached its highest point. That's the highest point it's been in the last 9 days. And that's where it started to fall, actually, in the 20-cent range, right? From that point forward, it started to fall and create a bearish trend. But when it was falling, it didn't have the bullish run that it's having right now. The bullish run did happen a lot earlier and a lot earlier. So that was the point where it started to fall. The way we're looking at this chart now, it's in a bullish run. So I'm not saying that because it hit 20 cents, that's where it's going to start to fall now. There's a lot of opportunity still here for the bulls to go ahead and take full control of this one. But key point here is this is where it got rejected. This is where it's getting tested, and this stock has to break through the 20-cent range to use it as support and continue its bullish run. Right now, bulls are in full control. We're going to definitely have to see how hard the bears try to tug on this. If people start selling off tomorrow because it's Friday because of fear, are people starting to just take profits? There's going to be a lot of key things to pay close attention to for tomorrow and see how much the bears try their best to tear this one down, or how hard the bulls try to maintain their position. It's going to be interesting. So let's keep a close eye on this one for tomorrow. Great bullish run for today. Keep in mind the resistance level, support level, 50-day moving average, and the closing price should be somewhere around 1908, 1905. As always, subscribe to this channel if you learned something new. Hit the like button, share it with your friends, share it with your community, and comment down below any other insight, any of your also facts or opinions on this one, and preferably facts, because I want us to always help each other out. That's what the point of these videos are, and I want to build a community where we engage in conversation and we all inform each other so that we can all do much better for the next trading day, and then that we can follow these cues to see what are the rational decisions we'll want to make as investors as the day goes on tomorrow, the next trading day. So go ahead and comment, and thank you so much as always for watching my videos, and all my subscribers and viewers for supporting me and always giving me great feedback on the reasons why I'm doing this and why I'll continue to do this. Alright, stay tuned, much more videos to come.